Alright guys, time to open our first mystery slab, see what we get. I've messed this up. I'm going to have to speed it up in editing. Alright, just so I can clarify, this is the back. Oh, alright, so it's a PSA. Let's roughly give it a little overview. It looks fairly okay. Pretty even. I might be in decent 9. Might be a decent 9, I think. So let's hide the grade. Oh! Sword and Shield, Astral Radiance, Carix, VMAX, Trainer Gallery. Alright, are we ready for the grade? 3, 2, 1. Mint 9, let's go. Way! Follow for more.
Follow for more.